tames your wondering eyes and heedless hearts his lawful prize. You see, I'm not like those other killers you've heard about. No, I'm different. I'm special. Because I have a purpose. I'm not just killing people for the sake of it. No, I'm creating something. Something beautiful that I deserve. Charms strike the sight, but merit wins the soul. Beauties in vain their pretty eyes may roll. I will admit, it's not easy finding the right parts, but it's worth it. Each piece is like a puzzle, and when it all comes together, it will be perfect. My perfect woman. I hope you understand now. I'm not a monster. I'm an artist. And when my perfect woman is finally complete, you will see, you will all see the beauty that can come from darkness. Maybe this was a failure, but that doesn't mean I will stop. No, never. I know my mistakes, sir. I need to start again and find the pieces that I need. And I will make you my perfect woman.